Hi everyone, this is Afra. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a mask when you really need it in rush. This method is really easy. What you need is just a piece of cloth and 2 rubber bands, and you also can prepare a piece of dry wet towel. Alright, now imagine your cloth has 4 sections on both horizontal and vertical sides. And then for your bottom to the center, and so as the top part. And then fold in half. Now get your rubber band, put on the 1/4 of both sides. Now it's time to get your dry wet towel, cut into the proper size. Alright, the final step, fold the left wing into center, and for the right wing into the left wing. Before that, put the towel above the right wing, so this towel will become an extra layer. And you can just replace this layer whenever you want to. Alright, that's it. I just wanna share with you guys if you need a mask to wear and make you feel more comfortable to get grocery, make your own mask in 2 minutes. Alright, everybody wash your hands and stay safe. Bye!